guys, welcome to Live Paint with RAEART. I'm your host, Darren Ray. And today we're gonna do something a little different. We got a smaller canvas here. This is 11 by 14. And we're gonna go ahead and make a music style painting with piano, some maybe a guitar, some music notes, stuff like that. So we're just gonna go ahead and slap it down and hopefully it turns out. Stay tuned. So here is my painting supplies I'm using. I'm using Liquitex soft body acrylic paints. I just gotta clean out my paint jar. I just have to clean out my water. It's all yucky. So this is my palette. We're gonna put the paint on there. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and start drawing. First I'm gonna draw some piano keys. I'm gonna have them come right across. Right across. So you all know how to draw piano keys. Something like this. And then they have the black keys on top. It's just abstract, so just freestyle it. We're gonna paint this in later. So once you have your keyboard, let's add a fancy guitar. There we go. There's our fancy guitar. There we got a fancy guitar. Now we're gonna draw in some music notes. And some other little fancy doodads. I'm just gonna make it abstract. So basically there's your outline for your cool music painting. So let's go ahead and slap it down. So I got my colors all laid out. I got some white, some yellow, some blue, some brown, and some purple. We might add some more colors, but we'll start with this. So let's go ahead and slap it down. Now that we come this far, let's go ahead and add some oil pastel to this, just to pimp it up, make it that much nicer. Alright, let's do it. Well guys, there you have it, a cool little music piece. Easy to do. Just follow the steps and you'll make one too. Alright. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in and I'll see you again very soon. Bye bye.